Welcome. We've been talking about security. Sabi natin, security is a financial instrument. This is an asset or an investment that can be traded in an exchange. So, ano mga example ng exchanges? That is Philippine Stock Exchange or PSE. And very popular, pinag-uusapan natin palagi yung stock market or equity securities. Or this is where we trade or buy and sell stocks. Now, pag-usapan naman natin yung stock market intermediaries. Ano to? These are the various players that nagli-link between the investors and the exchange itself. It enables the smooth functioning of the stock market and perform services like order matching, investment advice, providing market liquidity, stock lending, retail broking, online trading, equity research, besides depository and other related services. So marami yan. Ang daming players sa stock market. But we're gonna be talking a few at yung very popular sa inyo na stock broker. Ano tong mga stock brokers? These are members of a recognized stock exchanges who buy, sell, or otherwise deal securities. Or ito yung parang mga middleman of investors, of those who are buying and selling securities. They should be registered as a stock broker with the Philippine Stock Exchange or in SEC. Now, pag-usapan natin yung investing process. Ito, ikaw, as an investor, you wanted to buy a stock, let's say Jollibee Food Corporation. So what you will do, tatawag ka sa broker. Tatawagan mo yung VC Securities Corporation. Tatawagan mo si Sir Nino, sasabihin mo, Sir Nino, bibili po ako ng Jollibee Food Corporation. 10 shares at this price. So, a broker, ako, I will execute your trading or your buying of Jollibee Food Corporation. So we as a broker ay para kaming middleman sa inyo. Now, we will execute or we will do the facilitation of the buying of your stock in Philippine Stock Exchange. So nandun yung transaction sa stock market. Well, yung mga pangalan nyo, papunta yan sa Securities Clearing Corporation of the Philippines or sa clearing house. Yung pera, papunta yan sa Philippine Depository and Trust Corporation. And the transaction, of course, sa PSE or sa exchange. But we, as a broker, serves as a middleman. Kami yung mga player. In Republic Act number 8798 of Securities Regulation Code, sabi dito, regulation of brokers, dealers, salesmen, or kami, as a broker, salesman din yung tawag sa amin. And associated persons, no person shall engage in business buying or selling securities in the Philippines as a broker or dealer or act as a salesman or associated person or any broker dealer unless registered with such with a commission. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pwedeng maging broker or dealer or salesman or associated person pag hindi ka registered sa SEC. Okay. Ayun. Let's move naman sa naririnig natin. Sir Nino, merong tinatawag na fund manager. Yeah. Etong fund manager naman, these are responsible for implementing a funds investing strategy and managing portfolio trading activities. This could be individual or this could be an institution or a group. Now, a fund can be managed, as I've said, by one person, two persons, or a couple of people, co-managers, or a team, or an institution. Pero in return, a fund manager is paid by a fee of course, sa trabaho niya, which is a percentage of funds average asset under management or AUM. Now, a fund manager working with a fund manager management, saan yun? Pwedeng sa mutual funds or pension funds, trust funds, or hedge funds. These are responsible for managing a team of investment analysts. May mga analysts yan, pinag-aaralan nila yan, where to invest, what to invest, the risk involved, at marami pang iba. Primarily, they research and determine the best stocks, bonds, and other securities to fit the strategy of the fund as outlined in the prospectus. Next, we'll talk about merchant bankers. A merchant bankers naman facilitates the business process between a product and the financial requirements for its development. It acts as intermediaries for when companies raise capital by issuing securities in the market. They conduct underwriting, loan services, financial advising, fundraising, and fundraising for large corporations and high net worth individuals. Hindi lang yan to parang yung bangko na pumupunta ka at nagdi-deposit. No. As I've said, they did not provide or they do not provide services for the general public like checking accounts or savings account. Ang mga example nito ng merchant bankers are some of the world's largest are JP Morgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, and Citigroup. That's it for now. Maraming salamat.
For more ICCT College's video updates, please subscribe and click the notification button.